TCL 4K HDR TV with video call camera.
Dear viewers, I am very excited to introduce India's first 4K HDR TV with Android 11 and video call camera, P725. In each and every year, TCL India introduce advanced innovation and best feature to the Indian consumers. In 2021, TCL India made global first launch of Android 11 TV with highest quality video calling app Google Duo, only on P725. Due to COVID-19, we can't meet our friends, relatives, and we can't go to birthday parties, can't go for vacation. Most importantly, all companies conduct virtual work meetings and children, students are attending online classes through video call. But mobile phones or laptop have a smaller screen, which sometimes give you no so good experience. With P725, you can enjoy better video calling experience on bigger screen. Dear friends, share our happiness. TCL brings you video call function in televisions. This is not about connecting two devices. This is all about connecting our happiness to each other. Let's go. We'll see clear and brief explanation by live demo.
Dear viewers, now I'm going to join video call meeting through TCL TV P725 on Google Duo app. Let's see how Google Duo works. Hey Vikas bhai. Hi Balaji. Hi Balaji. Because I hope everyone joined, you can start the meeting. Dear friends, due to this pandemic situation, we cannot meet each other. So now I'm going to call my friends on virtual meeting through TCL P725 TV on Google Duo. Let's see how is the video quality. So I already made one group. So I'm calling my friends. Hi Suresh Anna.
Hi Ganapathi.
How are you Anna?
How are you?
After long back.
Long time.
Yes. Hi Ganesh Anna.
Hi Ganapathi. How are you?
How are you Anna? Yeah, I'm pretty much good. So after long back, I'm seeing you both.
Yeah.
So everything going good?
Yes.
Both are looking good.
Dear viewers, if I talk about operating system of this TV, P725 is India's first TV to run Android 11 that ensure newest experience, privacy improvements, faster operating speed.
This TV comes with Android 11 operating system, where you can find out what is the version of Android settings. Go to the device preferences and about, where you can able to see what is the version of Android. It is 11.
Android 11 includes access and discover entertainment to get stunning experience with apps through Google Play Store, such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and etc.
So this is how the home pages look like, where you can find all kind of application or familiar applications like Netflix, TCL Channel. Let me open Play Store. So in Play Store, 7,000 plus applications where you can download and install.
P725 comes with 64-bit quad-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB flash memory. Dear friends, I can see lot of people are using different applications to find your favorite content. For more content partners, TCL introduced TCL Channel 3.0, where you can access 10,62,000 hours of online contents in one application. So this is TCL Channel 3.0. I'm going to open this application. Once we open,
The home pages look like this. There is a categorization. You can find movies, TV shows, kids. So 10,62,000 hours of online content in one platform, where you can find a number of online contents. You can just see here like all the online contents in one platform with a categorization. You can see movies, all kind of language movies are available here. You can just go and select the language, you can watch the program. And TV shows. Of course, kids. For kids, we have a lot of videos in TCL Channel.
You all know in my previous videos I talked more about hands-free voice control. If need more information about hands-free voice control, the link given in the description, just have a look of those videos for more understanding. P725 comes with hands-free voice control 2.0. Okay Google, who is the President of India? Okay Google, capital city of India. Tomorrow, do you have any important meeting at 4 p.m? Don't worry, TCL P725 will remind you. Just schedule your reminders through Magic Connect app.
So now I am going to open Magic Connect application in my mobile phone. So this is how the home pages look like. My mobile and TV is already connected with only one Wi-Fi connectivity, where you can find reminder option here, left side of the top. Just click that and you can see here reminder. So select the date. So which date you want, you can select the date and select the time. Now I'm going to keeping 55. Okay, what is the content? Example, movie time. I'm going to put movie time. So send a message. So the message sent to TV. Now my TV will give a remind the exact 4:55.
P725 comes with 4K UHD resolution 3840 x 2160, which is 4 times better than Full HD TV. Along with 4K UHD resolution, this TV supports Dolby Vision, 4K HDR and HDR 10 too. TCL P725 comes with MEMC. TCL patent software algorithm MEMC makes fast-moving picture smoother. You can experience every detail when you're viewing fast-moving, action-packed contents like sports, action movies, etc. P725 sound output. The total sound output is 24 watts, 12 into 2 speakers. Along with 24 watts sound output, this TV supports Dolby Atmos, DTS too. P725 comes with fantastic design because this comes with full screen edgeless display and metallic body for the best durability and narrow bezel design. If I talk about connectivity of this TV, P725 comes with dual band Wi-Fi. It supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Especially, you'll get faster speed with 5 GHz. When you play any online content or any YouTube videos, you will not get any buffer or any stucks. Also, this TV supports Bluetooth 5.0 version. P725 comes with 3 HDMI, includes HDMI 2.1 version, and USB 2 ports, one 3.0 and 2.0. And this TV supports LAN cable option RJ45 and AV in for the normal cable connectivity and Optical Out for home theater connectivity to have a best theater-like experience. And Headphone Out also there, where you can connect headphone or you can connect multimedia speaker system. Dear viewers, if you require more information about our products, please visit our official website, the link given in the description. Also, please subscribe our channel to get to know about our new videos. That's it from my end, Ganapathi from TCL.